Hey everybody, Shawn from Silicon Theory here, and I have recently received my box which should contain the OnePlus Wireless Bullets. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing and then we'll have our review up in about a week or so. So make sure you leave a comment below if you should have any questions about the OnePlus Wireless Bullet headphones. But in the meantime, let's get to it. Packing peanuts, my favorite thing ever. So I'll move that out of the way for the moment. But as you can see, the OnePlus 6 wireless headphones, fairly minimal packaging, including the logo for the Qualcomm aptX Bluetooth protocol, so that's pretty exciting. So let's go ahead and slice in very gently, very delicately. Hopefully that's enough. So inside we should have, this looks like a silicone case, which I can't get out right now, so let's try and not damage this. There we go. Oh, it's a little pocket guy. Nice. And it also contains, this looks like the USB charging dongle. This, yeah, magnetic. So you kind of, boop, pop it open. Looks...
Hello, welcome to the unboxing on the Silicon Theory channel.
Sorry about that. So we've got some wingtips and some ear tips, presumably to help with fitment. Two different sizes, looks like a large and a small, so that's good. Let's take a look at the actual headphones themselves. Free Your Music, created together with our fans, is OnePlus's modern design. Oh, this is kind of cool. So this drawing actually leads right up to the actual headphones themselves, so that's kind of cool. Looks like a tab here. Let's cut into this guy. Doesn't know what the other side doesn't look like. So we've got what looks like the user guide and some instructions, and then the actual headphones themselves. So it looks like there is a third set, the standard set of wing tips and ear tips that come with the headphones. So let's go ahead and produce these from the box. That's what they look like. More tape. Always tape. Always tape. So, as you can see, these are the neckbud style. Kind of long, a little bit longer than I thought actually. Interesting. So, the neckbud style will rest on your neck while the earpiece portion goes into your ears. Hopefully the focus will pick up there in just a second. So you can kind of see what they look like, and as advertised, magnetic. So if they're around your neck, you can just kind of click them together. There is a little bit of detail on the sides. You can clearly see the red and black filigree on the inside there. And then this looks like your volume control. Yep. Up and down. And then on just the one side here with the USB-C charging port, which is nice. It's got a button here, probably the multifunction button to activate the Google Assistant, I'm guessing, and then kind of the soft, it's going to be kind of hard to see, but the OnePlus logo there. So I will go ahead and put this crap back in the box, and that's pretty much it for the unboxing. As I mentioned, we're going to have our full review of these devices up here in the next week or so. So if you're interested in headphones, make sure you stay tuned to our channel. And as always, thanks for watching. You can find all of our content at silicontheory.com. Follow us on social. We are at Silicon Theory on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And you know where the YouTube channel is. Make sure you hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and hit subscribe if you want to get more of our content. Thanks again for watching, and we will talk tech soon.